Welcome everybody, this is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 143. It ended November 23rd, 2020 for one box of Series 1. It is box 3 of 12 of a fresh sealed case. Wasn't able to put the serial number because again I posted these way before I even got the case, but we will show that I am opening it from the same sealed case, and we're just going to take box 3 out of there. I want to thank everybody for paying, even though a few of you have not. We're still going to go ahead with the break. It's not fair to hold up everybody, even though not everybody has paid, but in good faith that they will. And we're going to go forward. And again, I know there's a 50-cent shipping fee. You may not get a card. Those are just the way it is. It's very expensive to send out 24 packages because there's one hit in every pack. So that's just a little way of me clawing back some shipping payment. You know, maybe in the next one you get 4 cards and someone didn't get anything, but that's just the way it is. So please don't ask for a 50-cent credit if you don't get a card. That's just the way it's going to be. Okay, guys? So without further ado, let's go ahead and do this box break. Anaheim is owned by 300 SD. Nashville owned by Chat 33309. Clove 1561 has the Oilers. Cobb 74 has the Sabres, the Hurricanes, the Wings, the Panthers, the Kings, the Vegas Knights, the Wild, the Devils, the Senators, the Blues, the Lightning, and the Toronto Maple Leafs. Jay Kramer 32 has the Rangers. JP 1221 has the Stars and the Sharks. M. Mipri 6987 has the Canucks. Newfie Lars has the Canadiens. WDD JSS has the Coyotes, the Islanders, the Flyers, and the Pittsburgh Penguins. WPG Goldeye has the Bruins, the Blackhawks, the Avalanche, and the Winnipeg Jets. And rounding us out, Zachor 1084 has the Flames, the Jackets, and the Washington Capitals. So let me switch over to the webcam. And there you have it. We did do boxes 1 and 2 on last week. So this week we're going to take box 3. And 4, 5, and 6 are posted for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So let's hopefully we get in on all of those. I'm going to put that there. And those 3 are going to go the rest of the week. And I really do hope we get monster case hits. We are due. The first 2 boxes have been great. But this box, we are still definitely waiting for the case hits. So let's go for it, boys. Good luck, everybody. Alright. Good luck, guys. Hope you guys get monster hits, and I hope to see you guys the rest of the week. And our first hit is for the Vegas Knights, Marc-Andre Fleury. Upper Deck Portraits. And I'll go through the rest of these just in case I miss something, but generally the rule is 1 hit per pack. Let me just move this mouse. There we go. So we're off to start. Good hit for the Vegas Golden Knights. And we have a Young Guns canvas. Those are nice. And a good card. Connor McMichael for your Washington Capitals. Nice hit for the Capitals. I always like when the canvas hits on a Young Gun. That means you get that extra Young Gun. And our first Young Gun goes to the Chicago Blackhawks, Lucas Carlson. Nice hit for the Blackhawks. We have yet to hit a Young Gun French variation. I know those are few and far between, but it'd be nice to hit one of those and give it to you guys. And we have a NHL Worldwide Tuukka Rask for your Boston Bruins. Nice hit for the Bruins. Another canvas, Tuukka Rask. Nice hit for the Rask for Boston again. And we have a winner. Young Guns. Alex Lafreniere. There he is for the New York Rangers. There's the big card. Nice hit for the Rangers. Big hit. That's the one we're all looking for. And we have a signature for your Tampa Bay Lightning. There's another case hit. Yanni Gourde. Nice hit for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Put those hits over here. You guys can see them still. Young Guns for your Colorado Avalanche. Shane Bowers. Canvas, James Van Riemsdyk for your Philadelphia Flyers. Again, guys, just an honest breaker. Looking to have some fun. You know, I really appreciate if you guys could pay on time. It would make everybody's life easier. And we have a debut dates Shirkson for your New York Rangers. Nice hit for the Rangers. Another nice hit. And we have a blue Dazzler for your Tampa Bay Lightning, Nikita Kucherov. Nice hit for Tampa. Predominant for your Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. We have a Dylan Coughlin, Young Guns French version. The French variant of your Vegas card. Dylan Coughlin. I was just saying, can we get one of these? The French version of a Young Gun for your Vegas Knights. Nicely done. Wow. That's like 3 case hits in one box. This case is good. And a clear cut for your New York Rangers. Not a Young Gun, but Artemi Panarin. Good player. Coming off the bench there. Wow. These hits are good today. They're good last box, but this box is putting it to shame. We have a predominant for your Vancouver Canucks, Elias Pettersson. We have another Washington Capital hit for Nicholas Backstrom with the NHL Worldwide, playing for Sweden. Upper Deck Portraits Rookies for your Toronto Maple Leafs, Timothy Liljegren. Not bad, hit after hit. And I'll go through those base again, but again, I think it's one hit per pack, but we will always double check. Young Guns for your Winnipeg Jets, Jansen Harkins. Nice hit for Winnipeg. Edmonton Oilers, Upper Deck Portraits, Leon Draisaitl. Nice hit for the Edmonton Oilers. Sorry, there we go. My computer just timed out for a second there. I'm hoping it's still recorded. Didn't give me a warning or anything, it just went black. Young Guns for your LA Kings, Mikey Anderson. Or Mickey, but I think it's Mikey. Nice hit for the LA Kings. 4 packs to go. Great box, guys. Upper Deck Portraits for your San Jose Sharks, Logan Couture. He's also a great player. He is now the captain of the San Jose Sharks. Martin Coate for your Colorado Avalanche. Nice hit for Colorado. There you go. 2 packs to go. And it's a rookie retrospective, Joel Farabee for your Philadelphia Flyers. Nice hit for the Flyers. I'm going to just move my joystick so it doesn't time out on me again. That was really quick. Last pack. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night. This case looks like it's going to be a good one. So far the product has not been damaged. It's been good. And the hits are stellar. Bo Horvat to round us out with a Upper Deck canvas. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And I'll go through these to see if there's any exclusives or other French versions, but I think we did really well. Hope to see you guys Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thanks, guys.